In this humor.
Serving
Single
to
boys, just kidding.
Karnesh serving to Vishal to start off the game breaker. So both these players will be playing 4 points and then they move to the next list of players.
Every point is almost like 4% of the match. 25 points to win. Karnesh on serve.
A shot by Vishal. What a shot.
How do you take that shot that deep? Extremely difficult shot. Vishal showing his class
It's easy to
and then
take
giving
it.
that stare again.
Easy to take it. Just go pick up the ball and flip next point.
Long serve. Oh, and with that slice serve, it's hard not to go anywhere but the net.
Karnesh making a very bad mistake at that point. He's been good in the singles format, Karnesh, and rightly so. He's made it 2-2. Now we got to see.
Sam is thinking for love. I mean, there's nothing else that's going through his mind apart from 4-0. Yash is great, but Sam is the best singles player in all of Hyderabad. He hasn't played single very often, but he's going to give it his all. He's going to try to make the score 6-2.
Samir on serve.
Yash pushing it out. Sam going for a deep serve. Yash waiting and looped it out.
The problem with Sam is because his stocks are so good, you have to go for more just to keep him out of the point. Boom.
When Yashwant gets it back, Sam forces him to run all over the court.
Sam 369 reminds me of the movie Aditya 369. Time traveling. Time traveling.
I did not understand the reference.
5-2.
Sam showing his class right out there in pressure. It was surprising because when Sam was last time in a team game breaker, he went 4-love down. But now he's showing what true class looks like. The fist pump, 4-0, 6-2 up All Stars.
I think the term flawless victory, like Mortal Kombat, to show up now. Now Veda will try to close it out and try to get a massive lead here. But Satvika by no means is a pushover. She's going to make her work for it.
Although Satvika wasn't on the official singles roster today, she is playing singles now.
Satvika getting the crucial point there, trying to reverse the tide. It was going all Stars with Samir getting those 4 points.
You got to admire Satvika's intelligence though. Huh? She's got to be one of the most intelligent players. You mentioned that multiple times. She and Srikar, in my opinion, are the most intelligent players in HPL. Score 7-3, 4-point difference. Anisha, your thoughts?
Yeah, Veda is calm and composed as she serves. And with a ripping backhand. Oh, it just finds the net.
Satvika winning that point. Veda making a mistake at the net. I wouldn't even call it a mistake because it's just too much pressure happening at this point and you just never know.
Okay, look at her slowing it down. Oh. No way!
Brilliant passing shot by Satvika. She reduces
Not
the
going down
gap.
the line, slams it cross court. Anisha, 7-5. This is getting close.
It's getting serious.
Now we've got youth versus experience. What are you going to rate this one, Sid?
No points for guessing which side I am on then.
Akshat gets one over Srikar.
Yeah, Akshat has a very underrated singles game, huh? I mean, all of us talking about doubles, but singles actually is a very good player. He's a very intelligent player too. Caught, third man. Next batsman.
Everyone cheering up Akshat. And you can hear Srikar slicing that ball. You could a really good slice. Akshat, beautiful down the line. Great drop.
Srikar diving like Michael Phelps. Couldn't save the point, but A
old
plus
is
plus
Shrikar?
plus for effort.
Is he 25?
Shrikar, I think it's 18, just about.
Brilliant shot there by Shrikar, keeping the margin there just under 2 or just at 2.
This is going to be an interesting matchup.
I think it's the most exciting matchup.
It's table
Ishita
tennis versus
versus
badminton, guys.
Oh, yes. Oh, just missed. Ishita closing the gap for her team. 8-9, just 1 point separates both these athletes.
Really comes down to this pairing and this matchup.
I'm predicting her running to the net. Yeah.
Ishita bringing it home for her team. 9-all, down 2 points. But I don't think she's going to be happy with that. She's going to try to get a bit of a lead for her team.
Guys, this is too nervy.
Oh, just finds the net.
Nikita going back to her basics. A proper table tennis slice. It's 10-9, guys.
After 8 long weeks, we are at 3-all, 10-all in a dream breaker. There's no possible way any of us, including Steven Spielberg or Michael Scorsese, could ever throw out this game.
Yeah, looks like the ball hit the net. So reserve.
By the way, Ravi is actually 50-something years old. The man is a god athlete. Oh!
I think you're wrong. I think it's 28 maybe.
Man, he's playing like a 20-year-old. I want to be Ravi when I go up.
Gopi showing a very strong net play.
The Mavericks really need to tie this up. They've been down far too long.
Ravi showing that age is just a number. If you think Virat Kohli is great at what he's doing, at 36, 37, you got to appreciate a man who's 51 and still killing everyone in the HPL. But Gopi is not going to take this lightly. Oh,
rare
bit of a mistake. Moves on. 2-all apiece. 13-11. So this is where Satvik didn't get a game in the main thing, but he's actually a very good player. He got picked up from the challengers by the All-Stars. And this, him versus Ani, is going to be a very, very, very critical matchup to determine who actually ends up on top.
Looks like Anirudh is a very popular guy. Making a mistake. All
Just
Stars
finds
taking
the
a
net
14-11
there.
lead.
Satvik on serve, leading 14 to Mavericks 11.
Satvik actually got one of the best forehand smashes I've ever seen. Though he's left-handed, obviously. I've seen him play. Oh, missed that. But yeah, his forehand smash is actually absolutely amazing. Like, he hits it with so much power and he gets so much velocity from his core.
This is why depth matter, guys. Every player in the team is equally important. You can see how deep both the teams are.
Brilliant shot there by Ani.
14-13. What is going on here? Ani on serve. 14-13. All Stars up. Soli coming in.
He went for that two-handed backhand and it just went out.
Pressure is on. All Stars 15-13. This is where Soli can make a statement. Prajit getting the first point, closing the gap, 14-15. He had a high pressure match earlier. They were on match point, so I'm sure that's playing on his mind.
Good rallies, good job by Prajit.
Soli. Oh, they're going for DRS. It's going to be close.
Looked out, guys. Could be proven wrong.
every team gets only one call during the Dream Breaker.
One unsuccessful DRS.
Yes, one unsuccessful call. This is going to be close.
Makes sense why they take a DRS. It's such a crucial point.
I
So
absolutely agree. And it was also a close call. So you can argue that, I mean, there's no other option. They had to take a DRS.
Technically, can also act like a timeout. So the Mavericks can gather themselves and figure out how do they approach the next 10 points.
So when 14-15, I guess the question is who has to actually gather themselves.
With Samir waiting in the ranks, I would say a slight advantage to the All-Stars. It's funny because it's so crucial to pick the lineup right, and based on how the lineups have been, the top 4 slots seem to be the most important because they get to at least play twice when the game is close.
I agree. I think Abhirud, who is everyone's coach, apart from being actually a lawyer at the High Court. So the man is articulate, loves pickleball, and he's always available as a lending ear.
wonder what's taking the ref so long to make this call.
The DRS is normally, I mean, earlier it was taking 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's taking about 2 to 3 minutes, so it's obviously a bit of an improvement. But you guys reckon it's in or out?
I am guessing out.
I would like to say out, but I think that ref was on the right side of it. At least it wasn't like across the court from him, you know?
Well, let's have a bet, Anisha.
I am too biased to be making a bet here.
The DJ is killing it tonight. I
Lived
think
up to it.
it has absolutely lived up to the billing. Nobody answered it. Ball is out.
The Mavericks
Now-
are cheering.
It's 15
It was a
all.
ball they needed to be called out. And it's 15 all. The first, or no, it's not the first time. It's the second time it's been tied
Can you
tonight.
imagine?
But will they get the lead from here?
Can you imagine, Isha, last match, after 8 weeks, 2 teams, match points, we're 15 all, Dreambreaker. This is the stuff that TRP ratings are built for.
The crowd being extremely silent. Everyone's watching this very nervously. Prajit doing a good job at keeping the ball in. Ball's gone out. Vishal almost looking like he wants to go play the next point.
The first time the Mavericks have the lead.
The All-Stars looking at the bench, asking for a DRS. Soli would like to get this point to make things even Stevens. He did not reach that. Soli did not reach that. He was literally in Ahmedabad when the ball was going towards Kerala, and he reached there in the Concord, and he deserves to win that point. 16 all.
I think Indigo is going to take some pointers from him.
Now it's a reset.
Yeah, we're at 16 all. What a slice.
What
by
a
Vishal.
shot by Vishal. Hunter.
Vishal playing to his strengths, the backhand slice. Karnesh ideally should have served to his forehand, but at the end of the day, credit to him.
Now the Mavericks leading 17 to 16. It's going. Vishal taking it away.
Exactly the kind of point Vishal needs to pull more of those out of his arsenal.
He read that script all day.
I mean, that's where his ability to premeditate what's going to happen. Actually, won the point. Oh, service error.
Oh.
Service error. He's looking to his team to ask for a DRS, but I think he knows it's out. 17-18. Karnesh would now try to level scores.
Karnesh loved that, but unlucky for him this time.
Sam coming in again. He's looking at a 4-love again. He has to make it 4-love. There's
This
no
is
other
why-
goal. He has to make it 4-love to put pressure back on the Mavericks.
This is why those 2 points by Vishal are so crucial.
Needed that buffer zone because he knew Samir was coming up.
Sam playing with just one hand. In fact, his double-handed backhand is even better than his forehand. That's what he actually goes to. That actually pays all his bills. Despite that, playing the slice, fighting it out.
Oh, Yashwant gets one.
Each point Mavericks win against Sam is a huge bonus.
Oh, for sure. Sam has to get the next 2 points now to equate things out. Oh! He puts it in the net. Puts it in the net. Can you believe it? 2018. Sam now has to win this point.
And he does. Making it 2020. All
8
dependent.
weeks, so many matches, finals, 3-all, 2020. What the hell is going on? Eventually it comes down to the women.
Crowd's
As
gone
most
insane.
things in life do.
Of course, absolutely.
The 2 best women players in the league battling it out, trying to give their team the advantage.
Oh,
What a shot by Satvika.
Unbelievably intelligent shot. She didn't try to blast it into tomorrow. She just played
Perfectly
it.
finding the
Cross-court.
line.
Anisha, what do you reckon? What's going to happen from here?
Please don't ask me. I'm engrossed watching the game.
I'm very sorry. I've been awfully quiet. Completely nervous, guys. Beautiful rallies happening here.
And another point to Satvika.
Mavs up by 2 points. They are literally 3 points away from glory. Veda looking up to the skies, hoping for divine intervention. But the only person who can actually help her is herself. But there's no way she's going out without a fight.
Just a reminder, they're playing to 25.
And you have to be serving to win the game.
Boom! Boom! Backhand down the line that Novak Djokovic will be very proud of. Now it's 21-22. Veda needs to equate it out to make things interesting.
This is what these players have been built for these scenarios. Both showing their skills at the top. Veda making a comeback.
22-22. Now it's going to be Srikar versus Akshat. There is no way anyone except maybe Anisha next to me could have predicted this.
No, I could not have.
I am so glad Continental Hospitals is right next.
And a
Srikar
point
showing
for
class.
Srikar.
Experience 1, youth 0, 23-22. If Srikar wins this point, they're going to be on match point.
Akshat playing some amazing shots so far. Back to 23 all.
23. Michael Jordan. This is a game that Michael Jordan will be proud of.
It is looking like it's Kobe versus Michael. What a shot!
He hits an incredible inside out. Can you imagine? The All-Stars have a match point out of absolutely nowhere. Akshat's heart will be in his mouth. If he wins this, there's going to be mayhem.
It is 24-24.
Now it is Kobe Bryant for Michael Jordan.
Who could
As
have
we just
predicted
mentioned,
this?
There has to be
Who
difference
could have
of two.
predicted this?
No way. Difference of 2. And you have to win on serve. Mavs on serve.
Keep the ambulance on standby.
As Christina Yang in Grey's Anatomy said, somebody sedate me.
All-Stars on serve. All-Stars can win this. If they win this point, it comes down to the table tennis player against the badminton player. So much pressure on her young shoulders. So much pressure. But though Ishita is not new to pressure, and she'd want to equate it out.
Ishita stays in it. The score is 25-25.
What are these players made of?
25. Guys, somebody wake me up. Me up.
Game worthy of the final.
Slams it!
What a smash
Slams it.
by Ishita.
Slams it!
The All-Stars
Almost
calling
dunked
it
like
out.
LeBron James.
They are taking the
She's asking
DRS.
for DRS. This is... Wait. They're asking for the review. This is going to be very, very close. Nobody could have predicted that DRS is actually going to make the actual difference between lifting a trophy or going home to a friend's place to party just because you had a bad loss.
If the Mavericks win this review, they will have match point, championship point.
The funny thing is, no one seems confident. The Mavs don't seem confident. The All-Stars don't seem confident. I don't think anybody knows which way the call is going. Anisha said, what the hell is going on, guys?
No idea, guys. I'm just waiting for the ambulance to take me home.
I already booked it, brother, please. I already called before you, but I'm happy to share the bed with you.
What a game we've signed up for. Anisha is just holding her heart. She's got no idea what she just witnessed. 25-25.
I mean, both players are just are playing with so much heart. Battle roar for the Mavericks. It's called in.
The Mavs have it. They're on sub. Can you imagine? The whole fate of the
Match point.
HCL is on the young shoulders of the badminton player Ishita. This is the biggest moment of her sporting career.
And they do it!
Mavericks have won
The Mavericks win!
of the HBL!
The Mavs win! The Mavs win! There, the heavens are opening up. You gotta spare
Ladies and gentlemen, the champions of the inaugural Hyderabad Pickleball League, the Credicon Mavericks.
You gotta spare a thought for the All-Stars. They came so close, came fighting out of absolutely nowhere. And this has to be the greatest edition of the first season of any pickleball league in the history of the planet.
No movie would have written the script.
What an incredible match. Both teams giving it their all, their absolute all.